Welcome to Rome Tech. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video covers my personal experience with Manulife Canada Insurance Review, my financial and health policy experience. Manulife Canada Insurance offers a range of financial and health insurance products to Canadians, targeting individuals, families, and businesses. They offer everything from life insurance and critical illness coverage to health and dental plans, and even investment products. Key features often include online account management, advisor support, and various coverage options depending on individual needs. Their website provides details on all their offerings. Manulife emphasizes financial stability and security, highlighting their long history in Canada. They aim to provide flexible plans and personalized advice to help clients meet their financial goals. While pricing varies depending on the specific policy and individual circumstances, they generally promote transparent pricing and work with clients to find suitable coverage within their budget. You can find information about specific products and get quotes on their website. Availability of specific products might vary by province, so it's best to check their site or contact an advisor for details. Now, let's talk about my personal experience using Manulife for my health and financial policies. Getting started was straightforward. I connected with an advisor through their website, and they helped me understand the different options available based on my needs and budget. Setting up my online account was easy, and I was able to access my policy documents and manage my coverage online. The website is user-friendly and navigating through the different sections is intuitive. I especially appreciate being able to view my claims history and submit claims directly online. I recently needed to submit a dental claim, and the process was surprisingly smooth. I uploaded my receipts through the website, and the claim was processed within a week. I did have a quick question about my coverage and contacted their customer support via email. They responded within a day with a clear and helpful answer. One minor drawback was the lack of a dedicated mobile app, though their website is mobile-friendly. The standout feature for me was definitely the online claim submission process. It saved me a lot of time and hassle. Overall, I'm quite satisfied with my experience with Manulife. While a dedicated mobile app would be a welcome addition, the ease of use, online access, and helpful customer support have made managing my insurance policies a breeze. That's my overview of Manulife Canada Insurance Review, my financial and health policy experience. If you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tech for more reviews and tech tips. Check the description for any relevant links. Thanks for watching.